All right, here's a 1984 Honda Z50R I just picked up. Overall, pretty good shape. Most of the time the fenders are cracked, but both the front and the back are in good shape. Tank's not too bad, but this seat's got to go. It's over cushioned and not correct. The black wheels are bothering me. And missing number plates. So luckily, I found this original 84 seat a while back, and so that guy will be going on there. It's in really great shape aside from these two little holes, but so I'll swap that out. And then I had from another bike I picked up a while back, it had yellow number plates and it shouldn't have had them, so I took those off and saved those. Those are aftermarket number plates, not original, but they will work for this project. Pretty good though. Kill switch is still in good shape. Original grips. And she runs, let's see. Anyways, I'll have to go through the carb and get it tuned up a little bit better. But here we go. Got the seat and tank off. See, this just, even though I'm reselling this bike and no one's gonna see it, I just can't, I gotta clean all that. So get the frame all clean. I'm gonna take the carb off, go through it. So get it right, then somebody can enjoy it. So they had the ground wire ran to the air filter bolt, which is correct for the newer models, the 1990s models. But these 80 models, they actually get grounded back here to the frame. So we'll correct that wiring. This is also something you normally don't see. The top chain guard is missing, but the lower is there. 9 times out of 10, the lower is always ripped off or broken or completely gone. This one actually isn't too bad, just a little straightening out. And then I have another one I'll put on the top chain guard on there. And get the carb disassembled and soaking in the cleaner. Let that sit for a while longer. The intake, or the air filter housing. I always take these apart. I've found the craziest stuff inside of them before. But this one has no air filter at all, which is pretty common. The old ones just will disintegrate into tiny little pieces and most likely get pulled into the engine a lot of times, but so I'll put a new one in there, place that. Started detailing the frame there. I really want to take more off to get it cleaner, but it looks good for what it is. It's a nice rider. Now it's time to tackle the back wheel. I love using just these little car jacks. They sit perfectly right there between the frame and the engine and just give you enough room to pull the rear tire off. And then when you do the rear, after you're done, you put it down and then put it on the front. You put it like right around here. Works perfect. All right, rear is done, back assembled. Did a good little clean and about to put it all back together. Next is the front. Got the rear done and back on there. It looks way better. Did a lot of cleanup too. And got the front off and it's next. Get it all painted and then we'll start getting this thing back together. All right, there she is. Skipped a few steps, I apologize. I kept getting pulled away today. But got the front done on there, cleaned up. Looks a lot better. Still got a few things I want to do, but for the most part, cleaned up nicely. About to take it outside and take her for a quick ride. All right, well there she is, all cleaned up. Silver rims on there now. Put some new grips on there, new Honda grips. Cleaned up really nice. that's it for this one. On to the next one. Stay tuned. I got some more Z50R I'll be going through. Some are a lot worse than this one. And I'll try and do a few more details and give you some pointers on what I tend to do on certain bikes. So hope you enjoyed it. Let's catch y'all next time.